The first step is to raise the wiper arm off the windshield. It's a good idea to place a cloth or some sort of padding on the windshield just in case you lose your grip on the spring-loaded wiper arm. Hitting the windshield with the arm can crack the glass. Notice this tiny tab under the wiper where it connects to the wiper arm. Press the tab with your finger, push down on the wiper, and the wiper will release from the wiper arm. Don't be surprised if the wiper is a little stubborn. Just apply pressure until it comes loose. Now, compare your new wiper to the old one to ensure it's the correct length and has the same connector type. Put the new wiper onto the wiper arm and insert the wiper connector into the J of the wiper arm. Now firmly pull the wiper until you hear a click. That click is an indication that the wiper is on the arm securely. For the other side, just repeat the same procedure.
Think ahead. Think advance.